If your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 does not show you new text messages, then let me show you what you can do to try to fix this. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the list of apps and let's go to settings. Over here in settings, we want to proceed to notifications, and then in here we can check if the not disturb mode is not activated. If you have it enabled, then this might be the reason why you cannot see or why you don't receive new messages on your watch. So you can of course turn it off if that is the case. Besides that, we can go to app notifications, and then in here you want to open your messaging app. Now in my case I have the Samsung Messages app and the Google Messages app, so it depends on which one you actually use, but essentially you want to make sure that notifications are allowed for your messaging app, so keep that in mind. Also, another thing that is probably quite important is, of course, if you are supposed to receive messages from your phone. So in here, if we go to phone notifications on your watch, then you might want to switch from smart device selection to always on both to ensure that you always receive new notifications, including message notifications on your watch, and that you also receive on your phone. But also you might want to check Wi-Fi settings. So if you go back to settings on your watch, you can go to connections, and you want to make sure that Wi-Fi not only is enabled, but of course you are supposed to be connected to a Wi-Fi network as well. So if you are not connected, you might want to simply connect to your Wi-Fi network. Although if you have been paired with your phone, if your watch was paired with your phone, then most likely you should be able to see the same Wi-Fi network on your Galaxy Watch 9. Also, you can simply reboot your Galaxy Watch 9. So if you go to the control center or quick settings, and over here, of course, we can find this power button, and you can just turn off your watch and then turn it back on. And after restarting, all of these issues might be solved. But besides that, you can also use the wearable app on your phone. So if you go over here and switch to settings, then of course we can go to notifications and we can manage pretty much all of these settings that we did on our watch. You can also do that on your phone. So for example, here we have phone notifications on the watch, but also you can go to app notifications. And then while in here, you can find the messages apps as well, and you can turn them on or off. You can, of course, make sure that these are enabled. But if you use something different, or if you don't have any of these messages apps on your Watch 9, the ones that you use, then if you keep scrolling down, then you should be able to see phone apps. And you might want to make sure that the notification from the messaging app from your phone is actually allowed to be sent to your watch over here on this list. There is also this option that allows us to synchronize D&D mode with our phone. So of course, if you activate D&D mode on your phone, it might also be automatically activated on your watch as well. So keep that in mind, unless this option is simply disabled. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.